FMC Corporation's extensive line of link belt hydraulic excavators, the Big Diggers, to meet the needs of the 80s and beyond. It's a line of 7 machines designed to move literally mountains of material quickly, cost-effectively, in all kinds of applications. Newer applications like mining, mass excavation, and traditional applications like general excavation, sewer and water excavation, and pipelining. FMC's link belt excavators are tough, heavy-built machines, proven in the testing lab and in the field, and backed by the strongest warranty in the industry. The link belt excavator line is designed for maximum production and capacity, easy operation, and operator comfort. Each model has unique characteristics that make it ideal for specific applications. The LS 2800A at under 43,000 pounds and the LS 3400 at 53,000 pounds are at the smaller end of the line. Then there's the popular mid-range group with the LS 4800, LS 5400, and LS 5800 from 77,000 pounds to 90,000 pounds. The LS 6400 at 130,000 pounds, and the huge LS 7400A at 170,000 pounds round out the line. The range of selection offered by our line means you can get just the capacity you need. You don't have to overbuy. Selection is one reason FMC is now a major supplier of hydraulic excavators. Today, link belt excavators are digging for thousands of contractors all across North America. They're working in all kinds of conditions and applications, proving themselves day in and day out. Sewer and water jobs, for example, demand the right machine with plenty of reach, lift capacity, and precision control. With maximum digging depths ranging from 21 feet to nearly 36 feet, and maximum digging radii of 32 to more than 53 feet, the link belt excavator line gets down to where the work is and gets it done. And at the business end of the machine, you can increase your excavator's effectiveness by matching your job and material to a wide range of bucket sizes and types. Placing pipe in the trench can be difficult and dangerous if you don't have precision control. You get it on link belt excavators. You get it with the proven Speedomatic power hydraulic controls coupled with the exclusive Veritorque swing. It's a system that makes the job easier for operators.
Like you're picking up pipe, if you want to vary up just a half inch or so, you know, you can just feather the thing real smooth. As far as anything I could say about it, it's a good machine. It really is.
You can feather it real well with the controls on it. Like I say I could pick up an egg off the carpet with it, I don't think without breaking the egg, but it's that sensitive. You can really feather it out all the way around.
While precision control is important, you also need good lifting capacity. And link belt excavators can lift heavy loads smoothly, efficiently, with no engine lugging. But in trenching, lifting capacity isn't enough. You gotta have transportability, quick, easy strip downs to cut your downtime between jobs. FMC has developed an exclusive patented method of quickly removing the side frames from the lower. It's called the wedge pack. It's a feature that'll save you money because it cuts strip down time by up to 50%. Strip downs are made even easier with the optional counterweight removal. Cost effectiveness of a link belt excavator doesn't stop when you get to the job. The reason? A variable volume hydraulic system using high-pressure piston-type pumps that provide smooth power transmission from the diesel engine. It's called variable because the system instantly responds to attachment power demands by delivering higher volume and lower pressure in easy digging and lower volume and higher pressure in tough digging. And it does it without lugging the engine down, keeping it at constant peak RPM. Fast cycling results from that power along with the exclusive Veritorque swing system. Powered by a separate hydraulic pump, it delivers pressure-compensated variable torque control. Changes in swing direction are smooth and quiet. You won't hear and feel a lot of chatter from relief valves on a link belt excavator. The benefit of that efficiency is cheaper operation because you'll use less fuel. Field tests confirm fuel savings of up to 20% over comparable competitive machines. FMC's unique hydraulic filtration system, pioneered on link belt excavators, is an important part of its superior hydraulic design. It extends system life by removing harmful contaminants before they can cause trouble. It all adds up to a power system so superior, FMC backs it with the strongest warranty in the business. All hydraulic pumps and motors are covered under a 36-month prorated warranty. The total machine is warranted for all parts and labor for a full 12 months or 1,500 hours. And starting with the 1980 models, the attachment cylinders are warranted for 24 months or 3,000 hours. That's protection, and that's confidence. The hydraulic system meets one of its severest tests in mass excavation. When you gotta move a lot of material fast, link belt excavators are the machines to go with. This LS 5800 keeps those trucks moving, fully loaded in minutes. With that kind of production, you won't have trucks and operators sitting idle, costing you money. That high production is controlled from the human-engineered cab, designed for easy armchair operation that minimizes fatigue. The visibility is great. The controls are well laid out, simple to run.
I felt that link belt always has had the operator in mind whenever they built the machines more than any other company that I know of. And I have run a few machines. You've got your armrest there. It seemed like a fingertip control thing. It couldn't be any easier to sit behind the desk and use the typewriter. Even the quietness inside the cab. On a cold day, I can put my glass down. The tightness of this cab, I can carry my radio with me if so minded to. And it's just that quiet. The machine is just comfortable. I don't know what else to say about it, really.
It's got full visibility cab. You can see out of it real good all the way around on all sides. Then it's easy to operate. The controls are situated where it's easy to operate and everything that way. It's a comfortable machine to run. You can run it all day and not get as tired as you do on some of the others. It's just a real good machine.
Operator comfort is just as important in other high-volume operations where tough digging is the rule rather than the exception. The link belt excavator line delivers high force to the bucket teeth, gives you the power you need to break that material loose, makes your operation more productive, more cost-effective. But no machine is cost-effective if it isn't running. Link belt excavators are designed, manufactured, and tested to run long and hard.
I think we've had roughly, I can't give you the exact figures, there's people that can, but I would say a good 90% availability, which is probably better than other equipment we've had.
Well, we got this machine approximately 6 months ago, and I haven't had 1 minute downtime with it.
Low downtime and performance are especially important in cross-country pipelining, the supreme test for any hydraulic excavator. For the pipelining fleet on the Alaskan Pipeline Project, they came to FMC for excavators with power to dig through the frozen tundra in temperatures well below zero. And pipelining isn't all on dry land either. Could there be any harder punishment on an excavator than this? Here's where FMC's rugged lower, with independent hydraulic track power and sealed bushings and pins, proved its reliability and durability. The track rollers and idler are mounted on anti-friction bearings, sealed for lifetime lubrication. For longer overall track component life, an automatic track tensioning system is standard on all models and fully enclosed. Any operation can profit from this durability, and no matter where the job is, you've got to have a machine that's serviceable. Serviceability is built into all link belt excavators.
They're a serviceman's dream because you've got all of your lube fittings in your console areas to where he can grease it in just a matter of a few minutes, and there's a minimum amount of greasing on them, which is good too. So this is one good feature.
Well, everything's easy to get to, easy to work on. Yeah, haven't had any problems with it. It's been a good machine.
It's real easy to maintain, actually. The way they have the grease fittings and everything situated on the machine where they're easy to get to. You don't have to crawl all over the boom and everything, especially in the winter, and have a chance of slipping off like you do on a lot of the other machines. It's real convenient. And I think the operator takes care of it better that way than it's better for the operator and the contractor.
And link belt excavators are backed up by a widely based, dependable network of committed, independent distributors to give you the local parts and service support you need.
As far as I'm concerned, they've done me one awful good job since I started in 1962 with them. They've done me a real good job with them. And I can't knock them. And the service, the availability, and the man I'm dealing with, the people I'm dealing with, and when I have any problems, he goes to link belt, and if it goes to link belt and it's a problem, a factory warranty or something, they get in here with Bob Harris and those people and get it taken care of.
And we back our distributors up from centrally located Chicago with our construction equipment distribution and parts operations. Just minutes from O'Hare, it's geared to support our distributors with fast parts delivery and service support. FMC Corporation, the place to go for the big diggers. Link belt hydraulic excavators with 7 models of tough, reliable, productive, and serviceable machines.
They're a serviceman's dream because you've got all of your lube fittings in your console areas.
You don't have to crawl all over the boom and everything, especially in the winter, and have a chance of slipping off like you do on a lot of the other machines.
Like you're picking up pipe, if you want to vary up just a ½ inch or so, you can just feather the thing real smooth.
As far as I'm concerned, they've done me one awful good job since I started in 1962 with them.
Well, we got this machine approximately 6 months ago. I've had 1 minute downtime with it.